Welcome to the exciting world of existence and uniqueness. Because just like medicine has its diseases, so do differential equations. And for this, I would like to remind you of the best case scenario, which was our basic ODE. Basic ODE. Which was y prime equals 3y with y of 0 equals 5. And we saw that the solution was simply y equals 5e to the 3t. But what does that even mean? So notice there are two important things here. One is existence, which means this ODE has a solution. And we'll see, in fact, some ODEs will not have solutions, even with initial conditions. As a solution, namely, y is 5e to the 3t. And also important is what's called uniqueness. And what this means is there are no other solutions. This is the only solution of the ODE. There are no other solutions. And what this really means in real life is if, let's say, you and your friend work on the same equation and your friend finds a solution y, it has to be the same as yours. So if your friend finds a solution y, then y must be 5e to the 3t. So kind of the same as your solution. And to see what can go wrong, I invite you to watch the following two videos, which were recorded in real time, to really see what can go wrong.